Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube videos on the Webflow. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Webflow. Once you are in here, you have to go on the add elements. And here you have to scroll down. Here is the option of the media video. You have to click on it. You have to drag and drop here. Now you have to add video URL and video title. You can also go on the settings, and here you have adjust all the settings of the video, like you can add the video name, its settings. Here you can crop the video size, and here you can add the component name. Once you add the component name, you have to click on the create, and here you can adjust the all of the video settings. So yeah, this is how you can add YouTube videos on the Webflow.